The observable universe contains around 100 billion galaxies, each with many stars, many of which have their own planets. In this huge cosmic arena, the chances of other sentient civilizations existing should be high, right? So why haven't we met any extraterrestrial neighbors? That is the essence of the Fermi Paradox. Welcome back to Space-Time, your portal to the unknown. Today we're delving into one of astronomy's most intriguing mysteries, the Fermi Paradox. Strap up, because we're going on a mind-bending voyage around the universe to investigate every solution to the Fermi Paradox, including the one that finally answers the decades-old question, where are all the goddamn aliens? Consider a massive cosmic hurdle that exists between primitive life forms and advanced civilizations. This is the Great Filter, a barrier that makes the evolution of sentient life extremely unlikely. Perhaps we've already gotten past this filter. Or it could be ahead, presenting a severe barrier that only a few species can accomplish. If it is behind us, we may be among the universe's really fortunate. But if it is ahead, the Fermi Paradox becomes a foreboding warning. What if advanced alien civilizations exist but are avoiding us? They could have grown into Type 3, Type 4, or Type 9 civilizations on the Kardashev scale, utilizing the power of stars or galaxies. If they have such power, perhaps they are cosmic gardeners, planting planets and allowing life to evolve naturally. Or they could be holding us in a cosmic zoo and studying us from afar. Maybe advanced civilizations are aware of our existence, but they have deliberately concealed themselves to allow us to evolve without intervention. Or they simply refuse to deal with us. Why do we believe that aliens who came in the solar system and discovered the presence of an intelligent race on the third planet from the sun would rush to get to know us? Even within the confines of our own planet, humanity has enough evidence of the detrimental implications of interactions between societies of varying degrees of development. Human technological civilization has only lasted for a few decades, which is extraordinarily short given the size of the cosmos. However, we have already encountered numerous obstacles created by humanity that are capable of destroying us or rolling back to a basic state that does not allow for interplanetary travel. If such difficulties await the bulk of established civilizations, it is not surprising that none of them has ever plowed its way into the bigger galaxy. Which takes us to the most intriguing and plausible solution to the Fermi Paradox thus far, a neuroreal civilization that lives in an idyllic utopia. A civilization that perceives reality through technology that communicates directly with their brains. A matrix-like dimension that creates a world that is completely indistinguishable from the real one. Notably, this technology is not a far-fetched sci-fi dream for us. It is so real, however it is currently underdeveloped. In fact, some companies are already pioneering in the growing field of neuroreality like Elon Musk's Neuralink. This could be the most feasible solution to the Fermi Paradox, which highlights the dearth of evidence for intelligent alien life in our universe despite its expected prevalence. Perhaps advanced alien civilizations are safely ensconced below, being cared for by robots and living contentedly within their own brains. Then there's the potential that sophisticated civilizations exist but cannot be detected owing to technical limitations. Perhaps they communicate in ways we don't understand, or their signals have yet to reach us. We're listening to cosmic radio, but what if they're on another frequency entirely? Self-destruction is one of the most somber solutions to Fermi's paradox. We are well aware of today's threats, including nuclear war and climate change, something we're all too familiar with. If this is the answer to the Fermi conundrum, it begs the question, is every sentient entity programmed or rather cursed with the ability to self-destruct? Perhaps previous civilizations, like ours, reached a point where their technological prowess outweighed their inherent wisdom. The ramifications of their deeds could have led to their demise. Perhaps we are living in a cosmic nature reserve, and when we reach maturity they will unveil themselves. But amidst all of this chaos lurks one possibility, possibly the scariest, at least to us. That advanced life reached its apex billions of years ago and humanity is merely late to the party. We live in an era of exoplanet discoveries and scientists are looking for planets that could be habitable, meaning they have liquid surface water. That's a simple notion of habitability, but it helps us sort through the hundreds of exoplanets we've discovered and the incalculable millions more that's still to be discovered. But what if we're taking the wrong approach? What if the Voyagers and James Webb Space Telescope cannot find the answer? Are SETI, the Drake equation, and the Fermi Paradox all a result of our ignorance about advanced life in the universe? New research is developing that focuses on black holes and their profound influence on star formation. It implies that we, as advanced species, could be relics from a bygone era in the universe. If you want us to dig deeper into this topic, please let us know in the comments section below. Scientists that are pessimistic give the simplest solution to this paradox. They admit that we are alone on our star island. This does not rule out the potential that more advanced civilizations capable of spanning interstellar distances will emerge in the future, or that they existed in the past but have since deteriorated or vanished. Until recently, the majority of the scientific community held this view, but the finding of a huge number of exoplanets in recent decades, as well as the discovery of some patterns in the evolution of living matter, have given supporters of the hunt for extraterrestrial intelligence further arguments. From jaded viewpoints to cutting-edge astrobiology hypotheses, the search for life beyond our pale blue dot is still one of humanity's most meaningful quests. Skepticism, curiosity, and amazement coexist as professionals and laypeople cope with the complexities of a cosmos that continues to keep its secrets from us. Whether motivated by recent UAP news or recent developments in space research, many people believe that we are on the verge of making one of the most profound discoveries in human history, and they may be right. So, what are your thoughts on the Fermi Paradox? Do you think we're alone, or are our cosmic neighbors just waiting to be revealed? Let's talk in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Space Time, your gateway to the unknown. Until next time, keep looking up.